ये लाइन हमारा आंसर है, गारंटीड। देखिए, गिवन द नेचर ऑफ द वेन्यू, वर्किंग आवर्स वेरी फ्रॉम वीक टू वीक डिपेंडिंग ऑन द इवेंट्स बीइंग हेल्ड and will often involve starting early in the morning or finishing late night. You can expect to work an average of around 18 hours a week, although this cannot be guaranteed. इसकी गारंटी नहीं दी जा सकती। ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 to 19। सेटिंग अप अ बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप इन द यूके। यूके में क्या कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप जो है वो सेट कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 to 27 है, टेस्ट 4 है। अच्छा, सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ लेते हैं। टू आर मोर पीपल कैन गो इनटू बिजनेस टुगेदर बाय सेटिंग अप आइदर अ लिमिटेड कंपनी और पार्टनरशिप। A partnership is the easier way to get started and simply links two or more people together in a simple business structure. Unlike a limited company, a partnership doesn't have a separate legal status. The partners are usually self-employed individuals, although a limited company counts as legal person and can also be a partner. A partnership is different from a limited company is not having its own as a legal body. A partnership is different from a limited company. Legal body. आंसर क्या है? दिस मीन्स among other things that if your business cannot afford to pay its debts, you must pay them yourself. Partnership is different from a limited company. In is not having its own as a, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, debts. The partners are personally responsible for paying all the partnerships. Partners are personally responsible for paying all the partnerships. All the partner businesses profits. The partners are personally responsible for paying all the partnerships profits. The partnerships are divided between the partners. Smith and Jones. You can trade under your own names. For example, Smith and Jones, you can choose another name for your business. You don't need to register your name. However, you should your name as a trademark if you want to stop people from trading under the business name. तो हमारा आंसर क्या है यहाँ पे? ट्रेडिंग। Registering the partnership's name prevents others from using that name when the partnership's name prevents others from using them. Stop people, it prevents people. You don't need to register your name, however, you should register your name as a trademark if you want to stop people from trading under your business name. Business partnership name must not include limited liability partnership or PLC by extension ought to be same as an existing trademark. Your name also can't suggest a connection with government or local authorities unless you get permission. There is no central database of partnership names in the UK. In the same name another business, it is advisable to search on the internet for the name you are considering. Registering the partnership name prevents others from using that name when